boosts or improves vaginal health. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So today we are talking about Okro or okra water, and at the end of the video I'll show you how it is prepared well, so you can you know how to go about it. And if you are watching this video, then maybe you have seen it somewhere but you are not clear about it. We are going to digest it to the smallest you can understand, and it's mainly sexual benefits of okra water for women. But then at the end of the video I'll add some tips for the men too. So if you're a man or a woman, stick and stay and watch to the end so you know exactly what we are talking about. And let's get into the video. Okay, the first one is it enhances libido, or it boosts libido. When you talk of libido, is the urge to do the do, and this is both in men and women. So if you are someone who has low libido, then I'll recommend okra water for you. And what okra water, we know, is packed with a lot of vitamins and minerals like magnesium that helps to boost your overall health in general. And it also helps to boost your libido. So yeah, if you are someone who has low libido, then you can try okra water to do the magic. I'll tell you how to use it at the end of the video, so stick and stay. The next one is it increases stamina. Now the stamina is not only for the men but also for the women, and the nutrients in okra water or okra itself can elevate your energy level and helps you to perform better with more energy and longer. So yeah, if you are someone who has low stamina, then you may want to consider taking okra water to boost your stamina instead of going to take all those medicines that will have effect on you at the long run. You can try okra water to do the justice for you. The next one, this is for the women, is it boosts or improves vaginal health. So okra water has this slimy nature, right? And then this slimy nature helps to maintain the healthy bacteria that your body like the system needs, the vaginal area needs to be healthy. And it also helps to balance the pH level around the vagina so that infections and all those things will be sucked away. So yeah, it helps to improve your vaginal health. If you didn't know, it helps to improve your vaginal health. The next one is stress reduction. So okra water helps to reduce stress. Okra water contains amazing nutrients, like I said earlier, such as magnesium, which helps to reduce stress. And when you are stressed, you may not have the urge to do the do, you see. So okra water helps to manage your stress level. It helps to get rid of anxiety, like tiredness and all those things. So yeah, if you are stressed lately, like by the time you realize you are stressed like for no reason, or even if there is a reason why you are stressed, you can take in okra water to balance your stress, like to help tone the stress down so that you can have safe and sound mind to do whatever you want to do. Okay, the next one, similar to stress reduction, is anti-fatigue. So okra water helps to reduce stress and tiredness in general, and it helps to boost your overall energy so that you have the energy to do whatever you want to do. So aside managing your stress, it also helps you to feel less tired, and it helps you to regain your energy, revitalize energy. It helps you to gain energy, okay, so that you can do whatever you need to do. The next one is anti-inflammation or anti-inflammatory property. So okra water has this anti-inflammatory. When we talk of inflammation, it's basically the swelling and all those things you may see around the vaginal area, or even the reproductive system, or even in your body in general. So okra water helps to get rid of this inflammation that your body doesn't need. See, when you have a safe mind, you have a safe mind. What was it? A healthy mind is equal to a healthy body. If you have a healthy body, then your sexual vitality is high, so instead of you always feeling tired, you always having inflammation and all that will not even boost you to do the do. Yeah, if you take okra water, it will help to eliminate this inflammation, and it will improve your sexual desire. Next one is it enhances sperm quality. This is for the men. Enhance sperm quality. If you're a woman watching, to tell your husband when you are drinking, give him something to drink. It enhances sperm quality. So if you are someone, especially if you are someone trying to conceive, and then probably you've been trying and it's not coming, then you can take okra water and you can give some to your husband as well to improve the sperm quality and the sperm mobility in general, and this will help him to be more fertile so that it can fertilize the egg and there will be a baby. So yeah, not only for the women but the men too can take okra water to enhance their sperm quality or enhance their sperm mobility. And as soon as the sperm enters the female body, then it's gone into the egg. Yeah, so yeah, the men can also drink okra. The next one is it boosts fertility. So just like it enhancing sperm quality, it also boosts fertility in both men and women. Okra water is packed with folate, right? And there's this thing I forgot. So the zinc in okra water is what helps the sperm to be more mobile, or it helps to improve the sperm quality, and it also helps to improve the mobility of the sperm. Now that one to the side. So back to the boost of fertility. Okra water is packed with folate, and we know, you and I know, if you've been on this channel before, what folate does to the body. So yeah, with this folate is going to help boost fertility in both the man and the woman. So yeah, if you're someone struggling with fertility and you've tried anything and probably you are hoping on God, I'm not saying lose faith, but then you can also try okra water to boost the fertility small. Okay, so the last but one is hormonal balance. So if your hormones are not balanced, especially the women, it can give you mood swings. It can give you, like, you don't want anybody to touch you, those things. You see, you don't have the desire to do like those things. So taking okra water will help to balance your hormones because it contains folate, like we said, and this folate will help enhance like hormonal equilibrium. That will also increase your sex drive. So yeah, you can take okra water for, if not anything at all, to balance your hormones. If not for sex, at least like for a good mood, for a better body, for a better everything, take okra water. The last one I want to talk about is it improves circulation. And then we know when it comes to circulation and sex, it's like 5 and 6. Proper circulation leads to proper sex, especially in men, because blood has to circulate through the body for the genital to be erected. So yeah, if you don't have good blood circulation, then you may be experiencing dyserectal, or like you're not able to erect those things. So yeah, so taking okra water will help to improve your blood circulation, and it will also help to, your erection game will be out. So yeah, thank you so much if you've watched up to this this stage. Thank you so much. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you also enjoy just like concern circulating on the internet, then also be sure to subscribe to this channel. My name is Akosia. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So my next video, I don't know if I should do a story time or I don't know what I'll do, but then yeah, stick and stay and let me know your favorite part. And also, if you've taken okra water before, let me know how you felt. Was it difficult drinking? And I said I'll teach you how to do it, right? So what you do is you put the okra, you cut okra, you dice okra, and then you put it in a glass. You just fill the glass. You can dice like 3 fingers of okra. You put it in a glass, you can pour water on it and then leave it overnight so that the nutrients can soak into the water. The next day you just sieve the okra, out of the water and then you drink. It's a bit slimy, so you are looking for that slimy texture, and then you can drink and get all the benefits I've mentioned. Thank you so much for listening to all my gibberish up to this point. Thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to share to anybody who wants to either increase his or her stamina, who wants to boost fertility, who wants to boost their libido, who wants to improve their blood circulation, and everything that I have said in this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace out.